have the June Ipsy Glam bag. I did pay for this myself, so this is not PR. They had stopped sending me the glam bag, and so a lot of you guys wanted me to subscribe to it, so here is my first bag. I signed up for June and I signed up a little late, so this is a little late in the month. I'm hoping to be able to actually, you know, choose products for the month of July. So fingers crossed I remember when choice goes live. But let's go ahead and jump into it. First off, I have this Hydro Milk moisturizer. This was outside the bag, and this is a 24/7 moisturizer. It has goat milk and squalene. And I don't know if I've heard of this brand Dionis, but this is what it looks like. It's one of those like metal type of tubes. Let's go ahead and pop this sucker open and see. Ooh, okay, already stuff is coming out. But I like this because it's nice for traveling. I do travel quite a bit. I usually try to travel at least 1 to 4 times a year, depending on the year. Oh, okay, so this has a nice, like, just clean scent, almost like barely even there. So if you're not into scents, you're gonna like this because you can hardly smell anything at all. It seems very, very moisturizing, which is nice. It says that it's been around since 1982. So have I. So it's supposed to be an ultimate all day and night moisturizer. Hydro Milk boosts hydration, giving you healthier, youthful skin. I'm all about the hydration. I have more dry skin now, so we'll be just trying that out and testing it out. And this is the bag for this month. I think that this is so cute. It's kind of like weird and cute at the same time. It's like these eyes with this little kind of like petals around it. And let's see what is in here. First I see are these black kakadu plumpers. Okay, so these are eye masks, and I love me a good eye mask. I usually wear an eye mask every single morning. So we have 2 sets here. These are like really fun colors. I think that these are just like cute. And these have Australian native plum extracts. It's supposed to give you a lot of hydration to brighten and help the under eye area. It seems like this is just like a this is a one-time use only. And yeah, these are nice, so I'm not mad at that. I will use those. Then I have my little card in here. So this, it says make bold moves. And oh, how nice. I actually have my little price points on here. When I get PR, I don't get this sent to me, so it's nice to have it in here. And it says the sneak peek for next month is the Glow Recipe Gentle Cleanser, the Hula Matte, and the Amika Detangling Primer. And so yeah, so that little Hydro Milk is worth holy moly, this is worth $35. That's a little expensive. And then this little one, if it would be the 5 count one, it's $24.50, but we only have 2, so you'd have to like divide and see. But we have 2 of these in here instead of the 5, so that's nice. Next product in here is this Do La La from Benefit. This is the Liquid Glow, and this is in the shade Luna, which is a light medium. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so freaking cute. So this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $38. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. It's a beautiful like light champagne shade, so that's what that looks like. Perfect for my skin. We'll use this to travel and even to test it out, so very, very beautiful. I am really into a lot of more cream and liquid products, so this is perfect for me. I just realized I actually have the full size in the shade Aurora, which is the fair light pink. This one I feel like looks better on my skin tone. You use this as like a primer underneath, mix it with foundation, or use it as a highlight. So now I have 2 shades. Next we have some wipes in here. Oh, these are from Pixie Beauty. This is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Cloths. These have aloe vera and chamomile. I do have to be a little bit careful with this. These are exfoliating ones. Glycolic acid, which is in here, is a little harsh for my skin just personally. So I'll have to test one out and see how it works for me. But this is like just a makeup wipe with exfoliating properties. And this one is $5. And then the last thing in here is, what are you? This is the Cinta London Aqua Forte Super Hold Setting Spray. It's a little mini one. This is a deluxe sample and the full size is worth $28. It says it's an ultra hydrating super hold setting spray. So it gives like a boost of hydration, but then also, let me see. Oh, this is, here I was thinking this was for your hair. It's actually for your face. So it's designed to keep makeup fresh and flawless. It's supposed to give you a boost of hydration, but then also lock in your makeup. So let's go ahead and test this out over my makeup. I did set my makeup with another spray, but it's more of a hydrating spray from Wet n Wild. So I have not heard of this brand, Cinta London. And the way it's like the name Super Hold Setting Spray, it just kind of made me think of hair and not face, like not makeup. Okay, so that's the spray. Okay, that is pretty rough on the face. I do have little droplets, so I'm going to use a little bit of a sponge to blend those in so that it doesn't sit on the foundation and ruin it. So the spray on here is a little bit harsh. You do want to distance it quite a bit from your face. It has alcohol in here, so that's just a forewarning if you're not into having alcohol. So we'll see how good this makes the skin last. Yeah, I'd have to definitely test it out, but so far so good. It kind of mattified my face quite a bit, so that's just something to note if you're not into more of a matte look. But have never heard of this brand, Cinta London, but I'm curious to see how it goes. Overall, I feel like this month was nice. It's okay. We have some brands that I really enjoy, like Benefit, Pixie in here, and then we have 3 brands that I haven't tried. So overall, a nice little bag. I paid, I want to say like, I don't remember if it's like $15 or $16 for this bag. But overall, a nice little bag to start me off with, especially because I didn't choose the product. So hopefully next month, fingers crossed, I'll remember to go in there and choose the choice products. Let me know what you guys got in yours, and let me know about picking choices and stuff like that. Help a girl out. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. My socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.